Welcome back to a new video, and today I have 10 ways how a trading journal will make you a better trader. And those are very actionable, you can directly implement them. And if you are in need of a trading journal, go to edgewonk.com, which is the trading journal that we built, and use the discount code Tradeciety to get a special price. So first, obviously, in your trading journal, you will import all of your trading data, and then over time, you can very nicely track your progress. And you can see how far you have come. I've worked with a lot of traders over the years, and a lot of them get frustrated because they only see how much further they have to go, but often they forget to look back and they don't see how far they have already come. And a trading journal allows you to monitor your performance over time. It helps you identify areas for improvement, and it allows you to celebrate your wins. So a trading journal is really important for that. So this is the Edgewonk Trading Journal. It works for Forex, futures, cryptos, stocks, CFD trading, and even options. It works for all international currencies, and we support hundreds of brokers and dozens of trading platforms so that you can automatically import all of your trades within seconds. A great feature is here the profit calendar, so you can see every day how many trades you have taken and how much profit or loss you have generated. You can also change the unit to percentage to see your gain in percentage terms. Edgewonk also shows you very important key metrics at a glance, such as the net return, your win rate, your average P&L, your profit factor. Here on the right side, we have some very important metrics as well. How many trades you have taken, your average daily profit, what is your biggest winning trade, what's your biggest losing trade, how often did you follow your trading plan, and other metrics here as well. We'll come back to Edgewonk in a moment. Point number 2, you learn from your mistakes. A lot of traders will never revisit their trades once they have taken it, and they will quickly forget about their past trades. Just ask yourself right now, do you remember your last 10, 20 or 30 trades? Probably not. And therefore, many traders are doomed to repeat their mistakes over and over again. But once you start entering your trades in a trading journal and then you review them regularly, you will notice patterns in your trading, and then you are more likely to avoid specific mistakes when a similar situation comes up in your trading. You analyze your past trades, you understand what went wrong, and you can learn how to avoid similar situations in the future. When you go to your journal, this is where you have a list of all of your trades. And specifically when it comes to emotions and the mindset, we have built what we call the tilt meter. So every trade visualizes you in green or in red, whether you have broken your trading rules or stuck to your trading plan. So we can open a trade, for example, this one, we go to our advanced trade data, and then every trade you can rate your entry, your exit, and how did you do on your trade management. In this case, this was a perfect entry, the exit was according to the rules, and the trade was managed well. So overall, the trader did well here on this trade, and that then translates to a green tilt meter like here. So even though this trade might have been a losing trade, it's colored here red, overall the tilt meter shows you it was a good trade and you're stuck to your rules. So that emphasizes the focus on process over outcome. The third way how a trading journal will help you become a better trader is through mastering your emotions. And specifically in Edgewonk, we have a lot of features that help you analyze your mindset and your trading emotions and the psychological side of your trading. And trading actions are often very emotionally driven. Revenge trading, chasing a price, over leveraging, all of those can be traced back to the mindset and emotions. And a trading journal, especially Edgewonk, will help you track your emotional state during your trades. And this awareness will help you make more rational decisions over time, and it will help you avoid make trading decisions that are fueled by fear and greed. Point number 4, a trading journal will help you sharpen your trading strategy, which is really important. A trading journal like Edgewonk will help you refine your approach. We have built in many metrics that help you analyze your entries, your exits, your stop loss, your reward to risk ratio, and how you could have optimally managed your trade and executed your trade. What we have seen is that a lot of traders leave a lot of money on the table. But once you start digging into your data and look at your actual trades and see how much you could have made, you will often find great ways to improve your performance. One of the biggest weaknesses of traders, what we have found, is that they are managing their trade incorrectly, which means that once you're in a trade, you are often very likely to close a profitable trade too soon, leaving profits on the table, or letting a losing trade run too long. That's what we built the trade management analytics for. So the trade management analytics actually measure and analyze how well you're doing when you're in a trade and how good is your exit. In this case, you can see in blue, we have the actual performance here. And then in green, we have the potential performance. So in an optimal scenario, how much you could have made with your trades. And what is interesting here for this trader is that in the beginning, the potential performance was above the actual performance. So potentially the trader could have made more money and he was mismanaging his trades. Usually this means cutting your winners too soon or letting losses run too long. Eventually the trader turned it around and the actual performance surpassed the potential performance. The trader may have made a change here that turned his trading around and improved his trade management. And those insights are invaluable because they lead to actionable tips. Point number 5, a trading journal will help you boost your confidence. By identifying profitable areas in your trading, you will build trust in your abilities, but also in your trading strategy. And seeing your progress documented in a trading journal can increase your confidence, and it helps you keep motivated during challenging market conditions. When you see that you have already been through a similar situation in the past, maybe you're currently stuck in a drawdown, but it happened in the past and eventually the market turned around and your system provided profitable results and you picked yourself up again, that can help your confidence a lot. Edgewonk also helps you identify your best performing setups. So this is an analytic and a feature that analyzes your individual trading strategies and your setups, and it shows you exactly which is the best performing setup and where are you losing money. And those are very helpful insights because it helps you understand what is working and what isn't working. We also have a breakdown by weekday. So what is your most profitable weekday and which weekdays are not performing? And then you can dig deeper to find reasons why that's the case and how you can improve that. If you're a day trader, you can also analyze your trading daily sessions. So this is a breakdown by the hour of the day, how well you are doing on specific sessions. That's really valuable for day traders which need to understand which sessions are most profitable and where they don't have an edge. Of course, a trading journal will also help you improve your risk management. Edgewonk has a lot of risk metrics such as the risk to reward ratio, the R multiple, but also a lot of position sizing related metrics. And it's really important that traders get away from a gambling mindset and start taking their trading seriously by focusing on the risk part of their trading. Number 7, a trading journal helps you develop discipline. With a trading journal, what we have seen is that a lot of traders finally are able to establish a great process and a repeatable process. A lot of amateur and struggling or losing traders are often just stumbling around their trading and they don't really have a process. But with a trading journal, you have a very great foundation for your overall processes, for your weekly schedule, and entering your trades, revisiting them, and learning from your mistakes is a great way to increase your discipline. And discipline in trading is what holds everything together. You can have the best trading strategy, but if you're not able to stick to your trading rules, then even the best trading strategy will not help you trade better. Number 8, a trading journal will help you identify trading biases. And we all have trading biases that influence our decision making every day. And a trading journal can help you uncover unconscious biases that are influencing your trades, allowing you to make more objective decisions. In Edgewonk specifically, you can really customize your journal to your own personal needs and to your own things that you want to track and analyze. Edgewonk is completely customizable to all traders and to suit your needs. And the feature that we built in Edgewonk is what we call the custom statistics. And we have 20 slots for custom statistics where you can track pretty much anything that you want about your trading. And you can really personalize your journaling experience. For example, you can track the time frame of your trades, how many confluence factors, what are specific patterns that you're trading, what is your level of preparation on a trade, how is your mental state, are you using indicators. You can even track general market data, you can track your missed dates and other features. There are really no limitations to what you can track, and over time really nicely customize your journaling experience and then get very targeted data. Number 9, it helps you become a better trader. In the end, it only makes sense to keep a trading journal if it makes you a better trader. And in Edgewonk specifically, we made sure to put this as a high priority behind all of our features, functions, and analytics. Only if the features really provide actionable tips that you can implement and then see real results in your trading approach, only then a trading journal is a trading journal worth keeping. And point number 10, you become more self-aware about your trading. A trading journal helps you identify your trading goals. It also helps you establish risk tolerances, and it shows you your current trading strengths and weaknesses. And this self-awareness is so important for creating a successful trading plan, execute trades in a better way, feel more professional about your trading, and trade with discipline. So make sure to head over to edgewonk.com, use the discount code Tradeciety, and then you can start journaling your trades right away.